Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar yen, I still think this needs to at least go up and hit this 78%. Now, we did come very close to hitting it, and sometimes the fib levels can be off a little bit because of spikes on the higher time frames, but I still don't really see a reason to say this uptrend is over. We definitely don't have a breaker structure. We definitely don't have a lower high. It didn't make like a big giant engulfing candle like this one right here. There really is no reason, I don't think, to say that this move up is complete yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it is definitely going down right now. So we put our Fibonacci retracement on here. If we get a nice fib bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would continue to look for longs. On the other hand, if it really does go down and give us a big breaker structure, then fine, we'll start looking for shorts after the breaker structure and after the pullback that would come after the breaker structure. I'm just taking it one wave at a time. So right now, the higher time frames are definitely still up. So I'm definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.